Pete Diamond here in Jacksonville, Florida, and today's project is a cheap and easy add-on for your pump-up sprayer. So if you've ever tried to spray maybe a clump of Dallas grass or whatever in the middle of your lawn, and you want to hit it with glysophate Roundup because nothing else works, but you're worried about overspraying, well, you can make a spray shield out of an old yogurt container for basically free, and it works really good. So let me show you how to make one. So this is for sprayers that have this style of nozzle on it. So these are the ones that you can buy the different jets and swap them out, right? This is kind of the professional setup. This video may or may not work if you have one of the sprayers that has just the generic kind of proprietary fittings, but these are kind of an industry standard one, and this comes on the current version of the Home Depot bleach sprayer. It's also on, let me take you over here, my Field and King backpack sprayer. Has the same fitting. That's a 5/8 threaded fitting. So if you unscrew that, the basic premise is you drill a hole in the bottom of a yogurt container, thread it through, and then you screw on the other piece on the inside of that. So this is a 5/8 threaded fitting, like I said, but the hole that you want to have is 11/16, and the easiest way to do that is with a step bit. So you don't have to use a yogurt cup, you can use a solo cup, works good as well. It's just whatever you can get your hand in, because you're going to have to tighten up the fitting on the inside. So these are 2-pound yogurt cups. This is the one that I already used, and it's as simple as drilling a starter hole. And you want to use a nice sharp drill bit, because if you put too much downward pressure, you're just going to split the yogurt container. And then this is a Irwin step bit. I've had it for years, but you'll see on here, if the camera will pick it up, but 5/8, and then it goes to 11/16. I don't know if you ever see that. So 11/16 is the size that we want. If you've got a brand new step bit, you can probably skip the drilling the pre-hole, but mine is well used. You just go nice and slow and steady, a little bit of downward pressure. So I'm not trying to split the bottom of the container. And I'm just trying to not over drill. And we gotta go 2 more. Okay. So that's the hole drilled. And then you take the end of your tip off. Now you'll notice on this one there's a pretty significant gap between the back of this and that fitting on there. On my backpack sprayer it's almost, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch. So let me show you what happens with that. If you put this on and tighten it up, it may be a little loose. So if yours is loose like that, what I found is a garden hose washer. Maybe one, maybe two. You can put one on either side, but on this particular sprayer that was sufficient to take up that slack. And there you go. Perfect. So let me put some water in this and I'll show it in action. Okay, sprayer's pumped up. So imagine you're putting this over a weed. Pull the trigger. Perfect. And of course, if the weed's got a lot of leaves on it, you can pull those together, shove this over the top. And because it's a cheap yogurt container, if you break it, you just throw it away and make another one. P. Diamond, Jacksonville, Florida. Thanks for watching.